Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Suboxy Creative Minds. And about today's video, it's my favorite topic, druzy inlays. Do watch completely as I'll be making the mold by myself from the scratch to the finish, and you'll be knowing how to make silicone druzy mold and the finished trinklet tray as you are seeing the results. Enjoy the making. So let us start. To make druzy mold you need Fevicol, a trinklet tray, brushes, borox powder which you can get easily in Amazon. So as you can see, I have put some drops of Fevicol and brushing it up on my trinklet tray and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. And instead of using trinklet tray, a fiber trinklet tray, you can use aluminium use and throw tray as well. And now after our Fevicol is dried in the trinklet tray, I'm pouring borox powder on it and sprinkling it all over the glue, and then removing the excess powder. In the same way, I'm doing it for the pop socket druzy mold as well, the same process as we are doing for the trinklet tray. And here I have took hot water in a cup, and I have add the borox powder in it, and I'm just mixing it to dissolve this into the water, the powder into the water. As you can see, I am pouring the water on our trinklet tray where we had fixed the borox powder with the help of Fevicol. After this process, we have to wait for 24 hours to dry, and after drying, this is the result. Hope I could show you how shiny the crystals are appearing. Hope you can see the druzy, beautiful shine of the druzy effect. And I have done on one more plate as well. The rest of what I had, the powder and the mixture, I have done it on other plate as well. And now I found little bit of left gap in my trinklet tray, so I am applying little bit of Fevicol, and on that I'll be pouring little diamond dust so that we get a little bit more of shiny in our outcome of our mold. Diamond dust, you can get it from Amazon or any vendor who have this resin supplies. So this I bought it from Amazon. So now I am mixing silicone mixture. I am using Borealis silicone. This mixture I have added 40 ml of A part and 40 ml of B part, and after mixing it nicely, I am tabbing it so that we can get rid of the bubbles, or else the bubble effect will be seen in your outcome of your mold. So tapping is very important, and mixing is as same as we do it in resin. The complete procedure as we mix the resin right from bottom to top, and mix it to get an homogeneous mixture. So with the help right now with the help of brush, I am spreading the silicone mixture. This process of brushing up the silicone on your masterpiece is very important, as you will be getting a very nice result, like without bubbles and without any surface distractions. And after this brushing process, we'll pour silicone mixture on our masterpiece and let it rest for 3 hours for curing, and then we'll get the results of our druzy mold. So now it's cured, and now I am removing the mold with the help of the sharp knife. I'm just loosening up the edges so that it will be easy for us to demold it. As you can see, all my borox powder is been fixed to the mold, druzy mold, but no worries, I'm just removing it off by peeling it as much as possible, and get rid of all the excess powder on it, and have our beautiful druzy mold outcome. And now this is the result after removing all the excess. And this is the beautiful results from all the pores I have got. Can you see the druzy effect on the mold? It's really very good, and I'm totally in love with this. And now I'm cutting up all the excess edges of our mold, the silicone excess pore on our mold outcome. Can you see the beautiful sparkling result? I am loving it. And now time to use this molds in resin. I'm mixing 2 drops of black color alcohol ink in resin and mixing it thoroughly. I'm using trinklet tray mold, and here I'm spraying isopropyl alcohol to clean the mold. Pouring resin into the mold. Adding some more drops of black color alcohol ink. Adding some more clear resin to it. So now it's time to use our druzy mold. This is the mold which we made with silicone liquid from Bohri. And now you can see how I'm just keeping it on the trinklet tray pour. You don't need to press on it, just gently keep it on the pour of our mold and let it rest to be cured for 8 hours. And now our resin has been cured after 8 hours, and I can't wait to see the results. Wow, can you see the sparkles just like stars? I wish I could show you the exact result, which I can't hold it on camera. It's really very beautiful. I'm really happy with the results. Hope you enjoy as well the making process with me. And if you love to watch such videos more in future, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Thanks for watching.